And we're live. Namaste and good afternoon, folks. The friendly face of Digvijay Vanchu is back, and I want to welcome you to another edition of the React Native and Flutter virtual meetup. Winter is upon us, and I have a new mic. I hope you can hear me well. So I'd like to start by saying that 2020 has been a really wild year for all of us. I mean, there has been so much happening, and it is very important to remember that together we have made it through this year. Well, almost made it through this year. And of course, during these trying times, we have been trying as a community, trying to bring the wonderful folks of the community together every opportunity that we get to discuss about the amazing technologies that we all have come to love. We know it has been hard, and we understand how things have gotten really worse with time. But of course, we should never let go of the hope that things are going to get better. And hopefully, we are going to meet in person again for the next meetup, maybe. I mean, why can't we hope, right? Um, well, it is the one perspective that we should look at, look with through towards things, is that whatever we have gone through this year has only made us more ready for what's to come in 2021. Hopefully positive things. And speaking of what's to come in 2021, uh, we all know why we are here, right? uh, React Native, Flutter, what to choose in the coming year, which framework to go for. A lot of questions, I'm sure, but I assure you we're going to answer all of those here today. Um, so I guess it's only best to begin with the show. But before we do that, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about Geeky Ants and what exactly you would be expecting out of this event today. So Geeky Ants, as you must know, we host a lot of community events. We do a lot of meetups on React Native, Flutter, Svelte, Angular, and we absolutely love the community, the dev community of these technologies, and of course the other devs in the world as well. And we try to bring the best and the latest of the information for you, and we try to hold and host amazing discussions and beautiful talks as we have in the past, and we are hoping that we can deliver something maybe the same, if not above, the level that we have already set. And I hope that you guys go with a lot of information and a lot of new knowledge today. As a company, Geeky Ants, we started in 2006, and we have been an integral part of the dev community. We build mobile apps and web apps. We have services, and we have a lot of products as well. BuilderX is one prominent product that you must know of. Native Base, the UI library for React Native that we have built and is open sourced. Um, Announcement, we have just recently launched a new blog courtesy of Hashnode. It's stories.geekyants.com, and you're going to find a lot of amazing stuff there. So make sure you check it out. Check out React Pluggable. That's the newest open source contribution that we have done. Check out API Beats. It's an API management platform that helps you manage your APIs all in a single platform, and you don't need anything else. And yeah, I guess that's what we are doing right now. And of course, we are all gathered here today as a community to talk about React Native and Flutter, and look at what technology should we go for, or which is more feasible in the coming year. um, right. So today's agenda is pretty simple. We have two talks, two wonderful talks by two wonderful speakers, and then of course we are going to get into the thick of it and discuss about what technology we choose with some of the most prominent names in the technology. And we have them here today for you, and we will have a panel discussion moderated by our own Shankadeep Roy. I'm sure you know him. He's been here quite a few times. Shout out to you, Shankadeep. We are going to see you here very, very soon. So I suppose it's best that we start with the first talk. I'd like to call upon Nitish Sahni, who is a software engineer here with us at Geeky Hands, and he's going to be talking about the feasibility of Flutter for production usage.